When language learning gets hard,
Make it fun.
when your head is exploding, your confidence eroding, when life becomes a strain on your body and your brain, there's a trick to keep on learning.
Make it fun.
Language learning is hard, so we made it fun!
Download Duolingo.
Did you know Duolingo is also available for Windows? Let's see how to get it for free. Visit the Microsoft App Store. Search for Duolingo on the search bar and select it from the list. Then, click the Get in Store app button on the right side. Microsoft will ask you to download it if you don't have it yet. When done, press Get on the dialog box and wait for the download and installation. At completion, click Open and log in if you already have an account. Otherwise, select Get Started and choose your language course and daily goal. And here you are. The course is divided into simple steps with a very straightforward learning process. So, all you need to do is play, learn, and have fun. That's it for today. Thanks for watching our video. And remember to subscribe and comment below with your requests and recommendations. See you next time.